how we raise capital for real estate deals. Number one, I brought on a partner who was comfortable raising capital, and that was one thing. And then number two, now I talk about real estate deals or what we're doing on social, and then people reach out to me, right? And I have a couple friends, and they just talk about what they're doing on social, and they say that's how I raise all of my cash. People just reach out to me, we have a conversation, and then they start bringing them new opportunities that they have coming forward. But if you're just getting started, I would tell you friends and family first, and there's nothing wrong with asking because it is a great opportunity and you're going to give them a return. Like, you're not begging for money. You're telling them, hey, I can take your money that's sitting here not making anything for you, and I can give you a 8% to a whatever percent return, right? You could offer them a 3, like offer them whatever you want, but you can make them money with their money. If they don't know how to make money with their money, guess what? You're a wizard, man. Like, you can give them an amazing opportunity to make more cash with their cash.